This is where our dreams will come true. Greet life in spaciously designed rooms. Smart dining area and living room for bigger dreams. Windows for hope. French windows for better cross ventilation, natural light efficiency and all-weather comfort. Balcony railings up to proper height for total safety. Cook delightful moments in your modern and bigger L-shaped granite kitchen. Efficient space management, optimum utility. Separate store and wash area. Rest and play in your bedroom with multiple, smarter and bigger windows. Grand master bedroom to unwind your life. Common utility with wet and dry zones, more hygiene, convenience and safety. Togetherness is forever. It is not over yet. You get much more. The exteriors have long-lasting water-resistant paint, potent fire-protecting systems, automatic modern elevators, safety grille for all windows and open area. Dedicated AC vent for better value and maintenance. 9 meters internal RCC roads and RCC approach roads. 24-hour power backup for lifts, common areas and individual units. 24-hour safety with CCTV video surveillance. Periphery protection system. Video door phone, intercom and visitor management system. Elegant clubhouse. Indoor games like table tennis, carom, chess for unending moments of fun. Swimming pool to rejuvenate you. And splash pool for kids. Well-equipped gym for healthy body and meditation area for fit mind. Multi-purpose hall, walkers track, kids play area and play court. Cricket pitch. We give you not just any amenities, but useful amenities that improve your fitness and help you live better. With efficient space management, best amenities and pricing, live life to the fullest. Pratham Rivera, far from the crowd, safe surroundings, closer to public amenities like temples, schools, hospitals, restaurants, etc. High-rise and low-rise building in an open, green and healthy surroundings, adjacent to proposed 30-meter TP road, in close proximity to the Vadodara-Surat Expressway for greater future value. Daily to and fro commuting service for residents. Another coveted project from trusted Pratham Group, Pratham Rivera, where smart space planning meets smarter amenities at truly affordable rates.
प्रथम जो है वो टॉप पे ही है और वो प्रथम ही है। प्रथम का जो क्वालिटी है वो बेहतरीन है, क्योंकि वो लोग जो रेती आती है उसका भी एनालिसिस करते हैं, सीमेंट का भी करते हैं और क्वालिटी कॉन्शियस है।
One of the material supplier to Pratham is a friend of mine. Before booking my unit, when I approached him, he said they people don't compromise on the quality. If the supplier is not able to meet the requirement of the Pratham, they will straight away reject the consignment.
Quality is the best. They don't see economy, but they give best. They do not give just assurance. They particularly do this. They have asked for garden, they have given. They have asked for the roads, they had given. Infrastructure, whatever surroundings, whatever developments, common facilities, swimming pools.
पहले तो उनके फ्लैट्स जो हैं वो सारे बहुत ही स्पेशियस हैं, अंदर एकदम कंजेस्टेड नहीं लगता, कुछ भी फ्लैट में रहते हैं ऐसा फील नहीं है। बाहर निकलो तो इतना अच्छा स्पेस दिया है, बाहर भी नीचे पार्किंग भी इतना अच्छा है, गार्डन की सुविधाएं अच्छी है और हर जगह वीडियो कैमरास लगे हुए हैं। बच्चे अगर नीचे खेल रहे हैं तो आप अपने घर पे बैठ के भी देख सकते हैं कि आपके बच्चे कहाँ हैं। ये इंटरकॉम पूरे फ्लैट में है, तो आप कहीं भी किसी से भी बात कर सकते हैं। तो ये सारी सुविधाएं मुझे बहुत अच्छी लगती हैं इनकी।
All the documentation were in time and I didn't have to go to any office or registrar office or anything. All the papers were delivered to me at my place. I was not even asked to come to office to collect it. It was all delivered at my place.
I like the most is they are very particular in this legal work. They are very perfect. They give all papers, all documents, sales deed, banakhat, whatever legal requirement is there. The one customer can freely feel comfortable with that. We need not go and search and find out from the advocates whether this is correct, this is not correct, who was the earlier owner, who is the present owner, and we will not feel any such type of legal action later on that this was my land, and then you will be battling for legal like matters which will not be there.
Whatever things we have promised, something which we had not expected even, that was also given to us afterwards. Even afterwards, some complaint if I had made, this was promptly attended to. They had promised that if you find something lacking in the house or anything which is not up to mark, you can tell us and we will reasonably do it. And they did it.
प्रथम ग्रुप जो है वो बहुत बढ़िया ग्रुप है। वो लोग जो भी कमिटमेंट करते हैं वो फुलफिल करते हैं।
The one thing which impressed me the most while talking to the salesperson who was with me, the first thing she told me that all our dealings are only in white.
Many people have said that Pratham Builder is very reliable. When I am outsider, I have never seen any construction here in this place, and I have given check, I have given amount, and believed that the Pratham Builder is reliable. And whatever assurance they had given, they have fulfilled.
So, what are you waiting for? Come, invest for life, invest for future. Get better returns at every count.